Hey everyone, my name is Jermaine Bibb. I am a private pilot working on my instrument rating out of Bowman Field in Louisville, Kentucky. I am also a content creator and I work at Louisville Executive Aviation at Bowman Field's FBO as a line tech. A major goal of mine is to inspire people who want to get into aviation while also completing my training up to a CFI. Eventually I want to fly jets and travel for a living. I've met a lot of cool people on this aviation journey. I just want to show the aviation life from my perspective. Thanks for watching and don't forget, expand your horizons. My guy.
Alright, what's up? I'm Isaac. Just got my commercial, working on my CFI. Known Jermaine here since he started day one. We're gonna go to London today. It's gonna be fun. Let's do it.
I'm gonna pull out some more since we're good.
Okay.
And I'm gonna talk to him.
Alright, your controls. I'm not touching anything.
My flight controls. Alright, Bowman ground. Ooh, almost said Cherokee. That's 984 Juliet Alpha at Airbase 4 Ramble, Quebec. Looking for departure to the east, VFR. Alright, bet. Bowman ground, Cessna 984 Juliet Alpha at Airbase 4 Ramble, Quebec. Looking for VFR departure to the east, please.
Shark 984 Juliet Alpha on ground. Remain outside class Charlie, runway 33, taxi via Alpha Delta Charlie.
Bowman, November 25617.
Remain clear class Charlie, taxi runway 33 via Alpha Delta Charlie. 4 Juliet Alpha.
26517 Bowman ground.
I'm holding short of runway 24 and requested to cross going into Kdvk.
Clear right.
Clear right, clear left.
26517. Continue on Bravo, cross runway 24, taxiway Bravo.
He wants us to go all the way around?
Nope, just go Alpha and then Delta. You can see right here, Alpha, Delta, Charlie.
Oh, 33. I'm thinking about 6.
Yep. No problem.
For 12176, number 2 following.
Alright, so take off the board plan. If anything happens before rotation speed, which it will show you is 55 knots right here. Cheat sheet.
Oh, super cheat sheet.
Anything happens before 55, we'll go full brakes, power idle, stop, max aerodynamic braking, stop on the runway. If after rotation speed and sufficient runway, same deal, power idle, max braking, stop on the runway. If anything, for some reason we don't have sufficient runway left, and after rotation speed, we're going flying, we'll take off and figure out, you know,
where the fuck we going?
Yeah, figure out what we're going to do from there. So, our abort plan's good. Our flight path briefing is we're pretty much going to go east, and once we clear the Charlie, we're going to turn southwest and fly towards Danville, London, just however far we want to go. See if, you know, see how the terrain looks out there. You can fly anywhere that you think will look good for the GoPro. We'll get the sunset, and probably it'll start turning dark, and we can turn back and probably have a night flight on the way back and land.
And let's make this across country, too.
Okay, so we'll land at either Danville. Is Danville a...
I don't know. I think Danville is actually enough, right? Gotta be. Let's go to Danville, why not? 58?
Yeah, it's 58 nautical miles, that'll work.
Alright, cross country on the books, alright. Let me let Tower know, I know we're gonna be waiting.
Yep.
Bowman Tower, Cessna 98 Juliet 4 Alpha, short of 33, ready for departure.
Alright, 4 Juliet Alpha, Bowman Tower, just a moment, traffic, 2 aircraft on file.
Yes sir, holding short of 33, Juliet Alpha, 94 Juliet Alpha.
Pete, you like it so far?
Yeah, I mean, just like anything else, you gotta get used to it.
Yeah, it's a little bit overwhelming, but when we get in the air and we get flying, you know, whether you want me to hold the controls or not, like you can here and click buttons and see what all it does. That's really the easiest way to do it. For example, like messing with these pages over here, like it's so much available to you, but you gotta kind of learn. You gotta learn how to mess with. There's a lot of little knobs and stuff, and menus and little tips and tricks and stuff you have to learn.
Oh, you're a vet.
But it's nice having all of it. Like there's so much information available to you just at a glance. Like everything you displayed very clearly in front of you, and you don't have to. Once you learn it once, you don't have to spend a lot of time searching for everything. Everything's just always right here where you want it. So it's nice.
Even a super cheat sheet.
Yeah. Nothing wrong with helping, you know, in real world stuff, you want as much help as you can fit, you know what I mean?
Absolutely right.
Other guys right here.
4 Juliet Alpha, Bowman Tower, wind 0204, runway 33, turn right, clear for takeoff.
Runway 33, right turn now, clear for takeoff. 94 Juliet Alpha.
Or 83 uniform, 1 departure.
Dude, I was fucking up the tail number.
3, runway 33, clear for the option. 3-3, clear for the
I'll try not to curse, because I forget we're on camera.
183 uniform, and this will be a full.
Try not to what? Curse?
I'll tell you after about. I was messing up so many times yesterday with Andrew. Anytime I switch planes, I never get the tail number right.
Full power?
All right, full power. We're looking for 55 knots. Airspeed's alive. There's 40.
Alive. 40. 50.
And
55.
rotate. Nose down. Okay, then you can push the nose down until your airspeed's on that VY. There you go. There's your climb out speed. Right there. I don't know if Andrew's ever told you this, but that shaking, what it is the nose wheel spinning.
Oh, yeah. I knew that.
I didn't know that for so long until someone told me that, and I always wondered why the plane shook after takeoff. It never occurred to me. Oh, he gave us a right turnout. Isn't it so nice seeing that that VY?
Oh, that's going to
especially if you're not used to the plane, and you know if you're. Yep. So we have a right turn. This also has our traffic and everything else on it too. So, and we can just line up. So if it was a windy day, our track and our heading may not line up, you know, like you normally think. And there's a little purple diamond that will be at the edge of it. There you can see right there. That is where your plane is actually going. So you want to put the purple diamond on the blue heading tick thing.
Oh, you want to go ahead and go east?
Yep. So this is how far, I think that's the only thing that this doesn't tell you. So it kind of gives you all the info over the top of the screen right here. Here's your wind. So it's coming.
Oh, give us a tail. We got a tailwind.
We got a little bit of a 5 knot, kind of just, you know, coming from our thing. But you see how nice it is to be able to just see right there, a depiction right in front of your face where the wind's coming from.
Oh, cap.
And it looks good. It looks good. Turn this way real quick. So this is your standard rate of turn.
There it is. Okay.
So this right here, you see this little tick mark? You see this purple line?
Yep.
When that purple line is with that tick mark, that is like on your turn coordinator. You know, the wings being on the for your coordinated turn. That's your 2 degrees. That's your 2-minute mark. So with your wings like that, it's going to take you 2 minutes to do a 360-degree turn. That's your standard rate turn. So.
Oh, we're not going past that second.
Yeah. So you're on it right now. You're on a perfect standard rate turn right now.
Okay.
And so it's this. Like this thing and this thing, your slid indicator, you know, with the ball and the thing, that's what it's split up into.
Oh, we're not gonna go back to Charlie. I'm just going this way for a little bit.
Yeah, we can just watch for just a couple minutes and make sure we'll turn back. But that's why I was saying, like, I want to get out a little bit more, but I want to make sure we get it while it's looking good here.
It's pretty cool.
Because it is a nice sunset. I had a girlfriend once point out something to me that I never really noticed, and that's at sunset, sometimes between the red and the blue, there will be a green band in the subset that you can kind of see.
A green band?
Yeah, like it's kind of like a green middle part, not so much out this way, but near the sun. It's kind of hard to see, but she said that's kind of one of her favorite parts, and I had to agree. I was like, damn, I haven't really ever noticed the green in a sunset, but it definitely is there.
I've never
We'll pull the power back a little bit. Just keep on it.
So cool.
Yes, sir. It's a smooth ride, isn't it?
This is dope. GoPro footage, I know it looks good. I'm about to follow the river or whatever this is. Looks like flooded waters.
It probably is flooded.
Yes, sir. I like it. Gotta get back on track. I'm sure
it's good footage.
I've seen somebody do a low Like they damn near, it was a low overpass. I seen on somebody's, they recorded on their phone, their buddy while they was flying.
Yeah.
Super low, like they was probably like 200 feet off the ground. Flying, I know you're not supposed to do that.
Yeah, well, some people, you know, there's, you know, you just gonna, you're doing your own risk. You probably won't get caught, but dude, anytime I ever have dreams about flying or anything, did you ever have dreams of like driving when you couldn't drive? It was like driving on ice or something. Some people never do. I have dreams about flying, and in every dream I'm always scared. And look, this is nice too. This shows you the ones that are close and the ones that are taller than you. So like, you see that one flashing out there, it's saying like, hey, that one's warning, but like these red ones are probably ones that are high out there. So, you know, that's useful. And as we climb, those should start taking away to white. Now they're all yellow. Let me have the controls real quick. I'll get you some good footage for the GoPro.
Alright, your flight controls whenever you're ready.
My controls?
Your flight controls. I'm off.
Alright, you ready?
Alright.
Hold on, we'll get down to maneuvering speed here, which is 105 in this plane.
Oh yeah. Oh, what a show off. Oh, you know what you're doing. The right rudder?
Yeah.
How about that? Oh, that's dope. Good GoPro footage. Oh yeah, good GoPro footage. Not nervous at all. What maneuver was that? Or was that just a...
Part of a lazy 8. Back into the other way.
Seems like a knife.
Yeah, it's a lazy 8. You bring the nose up, and it's supposed to just...
All over?
All back through the horizon here.
Oh. From watching, what's the buddy's name? Mike Alpha dude? Like, he makes me so, like, from watching...
Romeo's current up there is 3042.
Makes me so comfortable. Oh, heard that.
What we're looking for. So a Shondell is one of the other commercial maneuver. It's a max power rate of climb turn. So like, I'll show you one more. I'll do it that way. It's going to be a 180-degree turn. The first 90 degrees of the turn, you go 30-degree bank and start pitching up. Halfway through the turn, you should be at your max pitch, and you start rolling back out. And right as you roll back out on 180 degrees, you should be at your stall horn. So it's using all your energy that you have to do a max climb 180-degree turn. This started out, the beginnings of this maneuvers was for World War II dogfighting training for like a max performance 180-degree turn.
So in case you want to follow somebody.
Yeah, or need to turn around and gain. It's like the maximum way to gain altitude and change direction. So we'll bring our power back here a little bit. So it's max power, 30 degrees.
Are we climbing?
Yeah.
Oh, so you're making a circle? Oh, you're making it, 180. Or 360?
180.
Alright. That's like a power on stall.
Yeah, except we don't want to stall. We want to be... right at stall. Then we want to let our speed come back up and not lose any altitude. We gain the most altitude possible. That's maximum performance of the airplane to turn and climb at its best rate to where at your 180-degree turn, you're done. You're about to hit your stall, so your nose has to start coming back down. Speed starts coming back up, and boom. We gained up 500 feet. We just basically went like that in the most power efficient way possible because we were at max power.
Are you supposed to climb for that?
We did climb. We climbed 600 feet.
Oh yeah, look at that G-force. Good GoPro footage. Good GoPro footage, bro. Oh yeah, all the way. Fuck it. Steep turns. Super steep turns. This not even a steep. What was he at? 30? 40,
About
60.
55. So for commercial steep turns are about between 55 and 60. So about right here.
Oh yeah. Hope my GoPro's still back there. No, I'm just kidding.
I was going to say, are you serious?
My mount has never... Okay, I'm not going to speak too soon on that. Beautiful. Hey, take us to Danville.
Let's go. I'm going to put us back on...
I'll put my phone on.
Yeah, I was going to say, I'll put it back on track and hand them back to you. I just thought you'd want, if there you want any good maneuvering footage before the sunlight went down, because you won't be able to see too well at night.
On the way back, we're not going to see shit.
No, it'll be pretty though for us.
Oh.
So upon completion of Isaac and I doing a few commercial maneuvers, we went direct to Danville to complete our cross country, where we ended up doing a full stop, then a touch and go to head back to Bowman. It was night hours by the time we did this, so it was a little hard for the cameras to pick up the footage, but as you can see, it was beautiful on the way back into Louisville. I learned a lot about the G1000 thanks to Isaac, and I have no doubt in my mind that one day he'll make an excellent CFI. I appreciate y'all watching. Like, subscribe, turn on them alerts, and share if y'all like the video. Don't forget, expand your horizons. Peace.